Greetings, everyone. My name is Justin Skolek, and I'm here on behalf of Team Ernie, which is Team 6, and we are going to discuss the Enhanced Reconnaissance, Navigation, and Identification Equipment, or the ERNIE. So, this is a list of all of the attributes that Team 6 decided to consider whenever we were narrowing down our focus points and trying to engineer the solutions for our UAS. These ones right here are the ones that I was tasked to do. We have a low speed test, making sure that at 10 nautical miles, the drone is able to fly with stability. We need to ensure that there's at least 60 minutes of flight time for a fully loaded ERNIE. We need to ensure that the ERNIE can operate in all directions in altitudes less than 3,000 feet. We need to ensure that hikers can find the ERNIE and help the ERNIE find the hikers by signaling for help. And we need to make sure that over the entire flight arena that there are positive communications with the drone and the ground control system. So if we go into the low speed test, you can see here on the left, we have our flight plan. This is a realistic flight plan that is circular to allow the ERNIE to locate the lost hikers. On the right-hand side, you can see that we're flying at less than a meter per second with stability. This will allow the drone operator to utilize the underlying cameras and sensors looking for heat signatures, or to use a more traditional camera lens to see the surroundings and try to locate the lost hikers. The flight time test, we fully loaded the ERNIE, and at max throttle, we took it throughout the entire flight ceiling until it ran out of gas. And it was fully successful. We were able to have over 63 minutes worth of flight time. As for the low altitude test, we did the maneuvering that you see on the screen right now at all of the altitudes listed on the left-hand side there. 50 meters was kind of sketchy. I thought I was going to run into a tree. It turns out that they will not crash the drone within the simulator. And as for auditory and visual signaling, I did some research on a four-stroke engine, small ones used in drones, and they produce about 95 decibels. If you do the math from 1,000 meters out, it would be about the same sound of a mosquito, which, depending on how many mosquitoes are in Yosemite at the time, may catch the hikers' attention and allow them to start maybe a small signal fire or create some other sort of visual notification to the ERNIE operators. Hey, I'm here. Please come help. As far as communication, we just did a straight shot distance. The configuration you see up on the screen right there is with no additional antennas installed. We failed this test with no additional antennas. However, if you were to strategically place antennas throughout the entire arena, preferably on top of mountains or the hills, we were able to maintain positive communications throughout the entirety of the space provided. Thank you all for your time. I really hope that you consider using the ERNIE as your solution to finding lost hikers. Have a great day.